Hello dear students. In the previous lecture we have discussed the efficiency of a transformer and how to calculate the efficiency at full load condition and how to calculate the efficiency at different load condition or fractional load condition. So now I am going to derive the derivation of condition for maximum efficiency. It means that at what point you will get the maximum efficiency in a transformer. So we are going to discuss which condition you will get the maximum efficiency of a transformer. So as you all know that the output power of a transformer is V2 secondary side V2 I2 cos pi 2. Okay, if R02 is the total resistance of the transformer referred to secondary, then we can write the copper loss PCU is equal to I2 square into R02. So let me give you some explanation about the how to I have taken the R02. And see here, so we know that PCU is the copper loss, which is equal to I1 square into R1 plus I2 square into R2. So if you take I1 square common, you will get R1 plus I2 by I1 whole square into R2. Okay, and I1 square into bracket R1 plus I2 by I1. So we know that K is equal to I1 by I2. It is the transformation ratio. Here it is I2 by I1, so I will take 1 by K. So 1 by K square into R2, or simply I will write I1 square R1 plus R2 by K square, and this equation is I1 square. This R1 plus R2 by K square can be written as R01. Okay, it means that R01 indicates it's the total resistance of the transformer referred to primary. So referred to secondary means, so now you can take common I2 square outside. Okay, so what happens, I2 square, if you take common, I1 by I2 whole square into R1 plus R2, and you will get I2 square outside as it is. I1 by I2 means K square into R1 plus R2, and this I can write as I2 square into R022. So this equation can be written as R2 plus K square R1 is equal to R02, which is nothing but what? The total resistance of the secondary transformer referred to secondary. So which you are taking in the derivation now. Okay, I will continue. So PCU means refer to secondary side I2 square into R02. So the total losses is PI plus PCU, iron loss plus copper loss. So the efficiency of the transformer is equal to output power on the secondary side, that is V2 into I2 into cos pi 2 divided by V2 into I2 into cos pi 2 plus losses PI plus copper losses I2 square into R02. So now taking I2 common, you will get V2 cos pi 2 divided by V2 cos pi 2 plus PI by I2 plus I2 R02. If you take I2 outside in the numerator and denominator, so I2 will be get cancelled. The remaining part is V2 cos pi 2 in the numerator divided by V2 cos pi 2 plus PI by I2 plus I2, one term of I2 will be cancelled, so I2 into R02 you will get. So see, for a normal transformer the V2 is approximately constant. Hence for a load of given power factor, the efficiency depends upon the load current. Okay, the efficiency depends upon the load current I2. So from this equation it is clear that the numerator is constant, and for the efficiency to be maximum, the denominator should be minimum. Means d by differentiation of this equation. So the maximum efficiency of the transformer you will get by differentiating the denominator with respect to I2. Denominator by computing it to 0, So what will get? Differentiation of denominator term, that is V2 cos pi 2 plus Pi by I2 plus I2 square I2 into R02 with respect to I2 by equating it to 0 in the RHS side. So differentiation of V2 cos pi 2 with respect to I2, you will get 0 minus, why minus? Because differentiation of 1 by I2, you will get minus Pi by I2 square and plus differentiation of I2 R02, you will get R02 is equal to 0, or simply Pi by I2 square is equal to R02. So you can write Pi is equal to I2 square into R02. So Pi is the iron losses is equal to I2 square R02. I2 square R02 is nothing but what? PCU. So the condition for maximum efficiency is when Pi is equal to PCU, then in that condition we will get the maximum efficiency of the transformer. So this is the condition for maximum efficiency of the transformer, that is when iron losses are equal to copper losses. At that point where you can say that you will get the maximum efficiency in the transformer. So from this equation we can write the load current. So iron losses means Pi is equal to copper loss means I2 square into R02. Okay, this is a copper loss, this is a iron loss. So the load current I2 with respect to the maximum efficiency we can write as I2 is equal to, so if you take the I2 only, so square root of Pi divided by R02. So this is the load current I2 corresponding to the maximum efficiency. So in a transformer the iron losses are constant whereas copper losses are variable, so that in order to obtain the maximum efficiency the load current I2 should be such that the total copper loss become equal to the iron loss.